Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. As you all know from our recent recipes that Ramzan is just around the corner. So we have got you all a new and interesting video. Today we are going for our Ramadan shopping. So without any delay, let's get started. But first, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get instant notification and be the first one to watch our videos. I hope you all liked today's video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Do let us know in the comment section if you want more of such videos. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.